Instructions Review, recapping how to use instructions. First, save instructions for when you really need to use them. Use prevention skills like options before resorting to instructions. When you do need to use them, be direct rather than indirect. This means avoiding phrases like let's, can you, would you, or could you, and say the instruction as a statement. Say what you want your child to do rather than what you don't want them to do. Give one instruction at a time. Use please in your instruction and follow up with thank you or a specific praise. Use rationales for why the instruction is necessary. Sometimes practicing instructions in a playful way like freeze dance or red light, green light is a great way to build your child's capacity to respond more quickly to go-to instructions like freeze. Regulated face and tone. Try this. Avoid this. When you're animated and responsive to positive interactions and desired behaviors and neutral during big displays of emotions, you will help your child learn how to regulate themselves with time. Test your understanding. Select which response follows these principles for giving instructions. The situation. You're in the grocery store and your child starts to touch all the items on a shelf. 1. Stop touching everything. 2. Please put both hands on the cart. The situation. Your child found a piece of jewelry and is heading towards the toilet. 1. Please hand me the jewelry. 2. Don't you dare put that in the toilet. The situation. Your child is ripping up a piece of art. 1. Why are you doing that? 2. Please put your hands in the air. Sometimes a novel, seemingly strange instruction will distract your child from the undesired task at hand.